Hello all, this is Pradeep. Today I am going to discuss about what is self-host runner and how to configure the self-host runner in organization. First we can talk about the one scenario. So there is a scenario is that you need to run your workflow in your own server, not in the GitHub server, due to some reason like security reason or some other reason. So in that situation, this GitHub action self-host runner came to the picture. Then we can talk about the advantage and disadvantage. So coming to advantage, we can have the access to the runner machine. Suppose if you are facing some issue with workflow, you need to troubleshoot workflow related issue. That for that you need to log into the server or runner server. Yeah, it can possible in self-host runner. So that is one first advantage. So coming to another advantage is, suppose you have a free machine, you need to no one is using that free machine, so you can use that free machine in your own GitHub action site. Another one is security. So the workflow is running on your own server, not in the outside your organization. So that data is secure because that workflow is running on your own server. So now we discussed about advantages. So coming to disadvantages, one is maintenance. You need to maintain the server. You need to pay. You need to do the patches and other things. So that is one thing. Then scalability. Suppose there is a workflow is there. That workflow need more memory and RAM. So in that case, you need to find a way to scale this runner machine. And another one is you need to pay for the runner. In this case I'm going to use GCP compute instance as a runner, so I need to pay for the GCP. Like that you need to pay the runner machine. So now we discussed where we can use the self-host runner and advantage and disadvantage. Now let's discuss about how to implement this runner in organization side. So that we'll discuss. I'm going to show that. Now I am going to add a runner to the organization. So here you can see three organization. I will show. I'm going to my organization. Yeah, three organization. So here I am taking my second organization. So yeah, so in this case I'm going to add my runner to this repository, this organization. So all the repository under this organization can use my runner, and also you can change that settings also. So I will show that how to do that. I'm going to settings. So actions, under action you can see runner group. So by default there is one runner group is there, so I'm clicking that default one. So yeah, here you can see this is the settings to control that option. So all repository, and also we can go with the selected repository also. If I click this, I can select repository need to use my runner. So I will show that option, settings. Yeah, see there is one repository is there under my organization, that's why showing one. So I can include and exclude this repository. So yeah, now let's start the demo for the how to add the runner to the organization. Under action we can see runners. So by using this option we can add runners to the organization. I'm clicking this option. It's loading. Yeah, so by default you can see one runner here. It's provided by GitHub site. So I'm adding new one. So while adding you can see two options. Another one is first one is self-host runner. Another one is you can add GitHub runner also. For that you need to change the plan. Now my plan is free plan. You need to change to team or enterprise. So I'm adding self-host runner. So here you can select which OS you going to add, Mac or Linux or Windows. So I'm going with the Linux. So for that you need to enter some command in the machine level. So first one is creating the directory. So then downloading one zip related to this runner, then validate the hash, then extracting this downloaded zip file, then create the runner and start the configuration experience. Then there is a script is that just want to run. So if you run this script, it will this runner will available in the GitHub site. So I will run one by one these commands. So here you can see this is my GCP console. There is one means instance is there. I'm going to use this instance as a runner. So I'm taking this name. I'm going to so yeah, this is my local CMD. So by using gcloud I'm accessing the machine, gcloud, then compute ssh, then machine name. So yeah, now I'm part of that machine. You can see the things, and you can just verify by using hostname -i. Yeah, this is the same IP. Yeah, this is the same IP. So I'm in the machine. So we'll run commands one by one. Yeah, so here you need to give some inputs. So enter the name of the runner group. Okay, so you need to give the under which group you need to add this runner. So I already show one, there is one default runner group is there. So I'm going to add this runner to that group. So just I'm simply doing enter. So next we need to give the name of the runner. I'm just giving GCP runner. Then label. So you can add a label. This label, by using this label you can select the runners while running the pipeline. So I'm just giving GCP runner, GCP. We can we can add multiple labels just by adding comma. So GCP, then Linux, then basic. Yeah, just adding. So now we added successfully name. Okay, yeah, this is the workflow folder. Then yeah, now I'm going to run the script. Now we connected to GitHub, so we'll check the GitHub site. It's refreshing. I'm going to runner. Yeah, here you can see GCP runner and it's idle, not using now. So anyway it's added, and the status is green. So now we added the runner to the GitHub site. Next we can check how to use this runner in our pipeline. You can see the runner is offline now because I cancel that window. That's why, because we need to run the command in background. So we'll do that. So yeah, this is a command. You can just simply put and, so it will run in background. So don't worry that case. You can refresh. Yeah, now it's available. Then we can go to the pipeline. So organization, repository. So I already have one repository. Inside I will show that code also. This is the workflow folder. I'm going to yeah, this is the YAML file. Yeah, so this is simply just creating a hello.txt file, and we just adding hello world content to that file. So this is the pipeline. So we'll check how to run this pipeline inside our self-host runner. So just want add this lane only. So yeah, this is the lane is designing where you need to run the pipeline. So here I am mentioning self host runner. So previously we added the label, right? So based on the label also you can select the runner. So yeah, that is also possible. In this case I'm just adding self host runner. So this that group will give that runner. For me only one runner is there, so that runner will pick up this pipeline. So yeah, we'll just simply run the pipeline. I'm going to action runner. Yeah, it's done, I think. Yeah, so we'll check the runner side. So yeah, here you can see there is one job is succeeded. So we'll check the folder. Yeah, this is the folder. Inside this everything is storing. I'm just going that folder. Yeah, so yeah, this is my repository. Yeah, here you can see that file. So yeah, so now you can explore this runner side more, like the folder structure and file things. We can go to the back. So yeah, here you can see the action folder also is there. You can check one by one. So in this video I'm not going in deep level. So yeah, actions, we have check code. Because why? Because in the code level we are running the check code. So you can check the folder structure. You will get more information about what are the things is happening in runner, how this is storing. Yeah, because of this check code, that folder is creating and download that dependencies. So yeah, you can check more on the runner side. Today's videos we discuss about how to add self-host runner in GitHub action, why we required that, and how to use that runner in our own pipeline. So that we discussed already. So that's it today's videos, and I am attaching the GitHub and GitHub action videos playlist with this video. You can check it out. Thank you.